Okay, everyone. So today we are going to see like some people interest, so like hobby or what they want to do. Okay, first of all, I want to ask to Akbar. Akbar, what is your interest, Akbar?
Um, Interest um for what?
Sorry, Akbar, it's not clear enough, your voice.
Yeah. Interest in uh mm, interest for what?
Like something that you like to do, it's interest. Ini tadi cuma sinonim aja ya. I mean like another meaning of interest. Tapi our today's lesson interest here is like something you like to do.
Uh, I think yeah, my interest is uh design. I don't
Design.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your interest is design. Okay. Do you always do your interest every day?
Um, mm, no, right now I think not every day because yeah, but is uh yeah, but is holiday, so yeah, I no not sense, but I think yeah kayak otak-atik gitu aja.
What do you mean by otak-atik? Maksudnya gimana tuh? Try to design something, try to draw something like that?
Maybe thinking about ideas for design or what they.
Ah. Oh, okay, okay. So, do you have any special book for you, like to design something, or maybe like to write ideas that you have?
I have, but I want to design uh by me.
Oh, okay, okay. Interesting. Okay, then. Okay, thank you, Akbar. Akbar, can you help me to ask the same question to Mr. Helmi? The first
Okay,
question, what is your interest? And the secondary, like, always do every day or not? Okay, so please ask Mr. Helmi.
okay, Mr. Helmi, what is your interest?
Uh, yes, I'm interest about sport. I think yes, sport, football and badminton. Yes, I
Oh.
like interest about sport.
Uh, and you can do every day, Mr. Helmi.
No. For badminton, I think I just do when any event, yeah, any event, and I think I like bicycle. I think
Hmm.
yeah, just short route. I think yeah, with my son and my daughter.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I will add one more question. So, first is for Mr. Helmi, and the second, yeah, for Akbar. Mr. Helmi, you mentioned that your interest is like doing sport, for instance, sorry, playing badminton, playing football, and also go cycling with your son and also daughter. How do you know that those activities are your interest?
Yes, because if I do that, I feel happy. I think I feel happy, and I have a get some benefit for my activity. I think.
Okay, very good answer. Thank you, Mr. Helmi. And now I want to ask to Akbar. Yes, the same question, Akbar. How do you know that designing clothes or design is your interest, Akbar?
Um, I don't know, but because if I bored or I don't know to do what
Okay.
I
Mm-hmm.
I always to think about design and really really so interesting for me. Yeah, like
Okay.
this.
Okay. So when you have like spare time or free time, you always think about design. So you think that design is part of your interest. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I want to make this is just all the information is yeah. It is not something that you need to, like you need to remember, but if maybe next time you find this, yeah, you can use that. Interesting, itu kan menarik ya. Kita juga bisa ganti kayak kata-kata appealing. Maybe in next time you find this word, you will know that. Interesting, appealing, and also fascinating. Just the same. Menarik, menarik. Like, okay? It's just only, like additional informations. Interesting, appealing, fascinating. Sebenarnya kalau fascinating itu sering kedengaran tuh in movie ya. Usually we find it in movie. But if appealing, I don't know like where we find that. In book not really. I think sometimes it can be like in fashion maybe. Maybe Akbar will like find this word more often than me. Maybe ya appealing. Itu biasanya sering dipakai. If interesting,
Uh,
yeah, it's common thing. Yeah, Akbar, please.
yeah, I think I uh, ever know, but
Yeah.
I don't know in book what.
Okay. Yeah, appealing. Yeah. But actually, for instance, like Mr. Hamid talk, like, like my favorite activity is playing football. It's so appealing. Itu juga nggak apa-apa. Jadi you say interesting, appealing, fascinating, that's okay. Because those are synonyms. Yeah. Okay, and today, actually we still talk about Q&A ya. Jadi tentang making questions and making answer like that. And please don't forget, when you talk about question, you have to always remember to use the auxiliary like this one. So, for instance, you want to ask about, like, uh, tinggal di mana, like that. You always ask like, where do you live? So always remember to put the auxiliary. And auxiliary is always depends on the subject. Jadi penggunaan auxiliary like do, does, did, how do we know it based on the subject? If do and does, wait, if do and does, yeah, it's wait, it does ini based on the subject, okay? But if like did, it should be question in the past. Okay. If use is, am, are, was, were, like that, I will copy. Right. It should be like with verb ing or noun or adjective. Jadi harus selalu seperti itu. Ini harus ada subjeknya ya. Nah, like this. Okay, so when we talk about question, please don't forget to put the auxiliary. So you have to know, for instance, like, what do you want to ask? Kayak misalnya, apa ya, HP kamu warna apa? So pertanyaannya kan warna apa? Like warna apa? So what you have to use is like what color, gitu ya. Terus warna itu kan masuk ke what color Terus HP kamu, HP kan masuk kata benda. Berarti nanti pakainya to be. Like what color is your phone? Gitu. Jadi you cannot use do or does or did. Karena kalau do does did itu the question should be about kata kerja. Should be about verbs. Oke, so that's a difference ya. Jadi itu berbeda. Sebentar, ini itu verb. Hmm, for asking verb. Like this. Okay, jadi if you want to ask something, you have to use auxiliary. For instance, if Mr. Hami want to ask like berapa banyak buku yang kamu punya, so how is the question, Mr. Hami? Berapa banyak buku yang kamu punya?
Oh, berapa? How many
Hmm,
how
how
many book
many? Ya,
do you have?
ya, do you have? Okay, so we have to use like do karena Mr. Hami di sini pakainya adalah verb, ya, jadi pakainya do. Okay. Again, Mr. Hamid. Apakah dia temanmu? How to ask that? Apakah dia temanmu?
What is your friend?
Apa what itu kan apa ya?
What
Kalau apakah itu Mr. Helmi bisa pakai auxiliary ini terlalu depan semua. Itu adalah apakah Mr. Helmi. Jadi you do not need
yeah,
to put any question word. Nggak boleh pakai what, when, why, how, something like that.
okay.
Jadi
Apakah dia temanmu?
apakah
Do
dia temanmu? Nah, jadi you have to know teman ini masuk ke kata apa? Ini. Apakah dia verb like this? Apakah dia verb ing, noun, or adjective? Caranya seperti itu. Teman.
Noun?
Noun, very
Yeah.
good. Ya, it's noun. Jadi apakah dia? So, ini pakai yang mana misalnya?
Uh, apakah dia tuh? Yeah.
Mhm.
Is yeah,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, correct, correct, correct.
Is her your friend?
Dianya using she or he ya? Like is
Uh,
she or he your
your
friend?
friend?
Ya, oke, friends. Oke, oke. Again, Mr. Hamid. Apakah kamu suka makan pizza?
Saya, Miss.
Ya.
Uh, do you like eat pizza?
Ya, do you like to eat pizza? Oke, right. Ya, jadi kapan sih kita pakai is MR, kapan pakai do? Nah, itu tuh tergantung apa yang kita tanyakan. Jadi kita lihat, oh your friend, itu masuk kata benda. Jadi kita pakainya is MR was were. Tapi kalau, oh it's about verb, kata kerja. Jadi kita pakainya do does did. Gitu. Seperti itu ya caranya ya. Penggunaan is MR, do does did. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hami. Now I want to ask Akbar. Akbar, berapa harga HP ini?
Oh, hmm, how much?
How much? How much?
How much or how many?
If we talk about price, you have to use how much. If how many itu berapa banyak ya? This one. Kalau harga itu pokoknya harus how much. Berapa harga HP ini?
How much
Mm-mm.
price?
Oke, berapa harga itu sudah masuk ke how much sebenarnya. Jadi ini,
Oh,
nah itu sudah jadi satu. Berapa harga itu sudah masuk how much?
how much this
Hmm?
how much is how much is this this happen?
This phone.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
This
how
one.
much is this phone? Karena the question is about phones ya. Ini kata benda, that's why you have to use is, not do, does, something like that. Okay, Akbar again. Yeah, Akbar.
Kak, I wanna ask
Yeah,
uh,
please.
how much is this one? Like, is it not asking me the main points or
It's not
is
asking the main phone. Huh?
maksudnya ini Kak, kayak itu emang gitu ya.
Ya,
Maksudnya
maksudnya
kayak
questionnya.
dia kayak nanya itunya berapa banyak gitu,
Berapa,
berapa banyak.
oh no. Kalau nanya harga itu sebenarnya ada dua cara ya, kayak tapi always using how much. So like how much is this phone? Atau kalau misalnya eh bisa pakai kata cost gitu boleh. Kayak gini misalnya how much ya does it does this phone cost. Nah, kayak gini juga boleh. Jadi menanyakan harga itu seperti itu. Cuman nanti dia caranya beda. Soalnya kan dia pakai cost di sini. Kalau pakai cost kan dia sudah verb. That's why you have to use like does. Like that. Nah, gitu. Jadi it depends on how you ask. Ya, jadi kalau mau
Itu
menanyakan ya,
isnya harus ya Mas ya, bukannya gini. How much this phone gitu enggak ya?
ya harus pakai is harusnya Mr. Helmi. Yang benar grammarnya itu seperti itu. How much is this phone? Jadi sebenarnya pertanyaan itu selalu harus ada do does did or is am are was were. Biasanya gitu. Cuman gini loh, tapi loh biasanya if you watch movie itu kok kayaknya dia nggak ada ya kayak isnya, are-nya. Itu karena mereka kan biasanya singkat kayak kayak masalah kayak gini, what's your name? Itu kan kita bisa kan ngomong kayak what is your name? Kalau kita ngomong what is your name, isnya kelihatan. Tapi kalau orangnya ngomongnya cepet banget kayak what's your name, itu kan nggak kelihatan itu ada isnya. Something like that. Jadi emang harusnya ada kayak gini ya. Harusnya like that. Pasti kalau
Oke.
bertanya itu biasanya kadang terbiasa tidak pakai auxiliary. Itu biasanya. Oke. Akbar, apakah kamu memiliki uang? Question. Apakah kamu memiliki uang?
If you have
Please again.
is you have money.
Oke. Ini your question itu tentang memiliki. My question, have itu masuk ke mana, Akbar? Kalau kita, ini saya warnain ya biar nggak kok jadi bingung sendiri nanti. Bentar, ini saya warnain hijau. Nah, have itu masuk ke mana, Akbar? Yang warna hijau ya, verb, verb ing, noun, or adjective.
Well,
Verb, ya, correct. Sorry ya, ini verb ya. Oh, R-nya hilang. Verb ya, berarti kamu harus pakainya do, does, did.
do you have
Nah, iya, do you have money? Jadi tidak boleh pakai sorry, misalnya kayak are you have money? Itu salah. Oke, itu salah. Oke ya. Wait, one more, Akbar. Apakah dia bahagia? Apakah dia bahagia?
Is you
Is he,
is he or he
is is he or he? Yang mana itu? Is he or are he? Coba bahagia
is
dulu. Bahagia dulu kamu kasih apa bahagianya? Bahagia, what is in English? Senang, senang. Bahagia and senang is the same ya.
happy?
Ya, happy. Nah, coba kamu baca cepat. Is he happy or are he happy? Mana yang kira-kira tepat? Your feeling. You have to also use the feeling if we talk about language. Finish? You find which one is correct? Which one is correct? Always. Jadi selalu ada auxiliary-nya. Ayo, is he happy? Are he happy? Is
I think or
or no, the right answer is this one. Jadi kalau are itu pakainya dipakai buat yang banyak, plural. Jadi kalau is kan ini for she, ya, he, and it. Nih, is. Kalau are itu for you, we, they. Udah kalau M nggak usah ya. Nah, sama kayak ini. Kalau was dipakai buat apa? Kalau was ya buat she, I, he, it. Kalau were for you, we, and they, like this. Ya, jadi kalau apakah dia bahagia karena dia, ya berarti pakainya is. Kalau misalnya, "Loh, terus kapan kita menggunakan was sama were?" Itu kalau misalnya I ask, like for instance ya, I ask Akbar, Akbar, what about yesterday? Were you happy? Nah, jadi ada konteksnya kayak Akbar, gimana dengan kemarin? Kamu bahagia nggak? Nah, kayak gitu karena I ask about Akbar's conditions yesterday. Jadi kalau was were sama did nanti itu sesuai konteks aja. Kayak misalnya I ask to Mr. Helmi, Mr. Helmi, what did you do at the weekend? Nah, weekend kan weekend itu kapan ya? Ini sekarang kapan ya? Lupa. Weekend kan beberapa hari yang lalu ya. Jadi saya pakainya adalah did. Like, where did you go at the weekend? Nah, seperti ini. Karena saya menanyakan weekend yang kemarin. Weekend yang Sabtu Minggu yang lalu itu. Nah, itu kita baru pakai did. Misalnya lagi kayak I asked to Akbar, Akbar, did you go to Sidoarjo yesterday? Nah, itu. Jadi I asked to Akbar, Akbar itu pergi ke Sidoarjo nggak sih kemarin? Nah, saya bilangnya gitu. Did you go to Sidoarjo yesterday? Yesterday, like this. Okay. Jadi don't be confused with kapan we use like like did and then dudas. Pokoknya kalau dudas itu pertanyaan yang sekarang, yang berkaitan sama sekarang itu pakai dudas. Tapi kalau you talk about yesterday or 2 hours ago, misalnya 2 jam yang lalu, it's already past gitu. Oke. Okay? Now I want Mr. Hami to ask me one question uh to to talk about maybe yesterday, Mr. Hami. I don't know what kinds of question but up to you. Pokoknya Mr. Hami harus pakai antara salah antara did or were. This is Mr. Hami. You can make one questions with did or with were, and it's up to you.
Question to Miss Dana.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Did you see did you see apa ya? A boy boy film yesterday?
Boy, 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 like this ya, boy, film yesterday. Okay. Yesterday. Yeah, like this, Mr. Rami. Very good. So you asked me about my yesterday activity. Jadi Mr. Rami using like did you see? Oke. Dan ini tetap pakai verb 1 ya. Jadi jangan diganti verb 2. Soalnya kalau pertanyaan sudah ada did-nya itu kita tidak perlu pakai verb 2. Meskipun loh, pas kan biasa pakai verb 2. Iya, kalau dia positif. Jadi kalau kalimat positif misalnya did you see boy film yesterday? I say, yeah, I went to mall and then I watch boy. Nah, misalnya kayak gitu misalnya Rami. Jadi jawaban saya kalau saya bilang iya gitu positif gitu ya. Jadi pakainya verb 2. Tapi when I ask question itu pakainya verb 1. Itu biasanya gitu. Oke, thank you Mr. Hami. Next, Akbar the same. You have to ask one question for me using did or were.
Um, were
Were.
you
Mm-hmm.
feel happy
Were you
yesterday?
happy? Okay. Were you happy yesterday? Yeah, correct. So you asked me about my conditions yesterday. Ya, jadi use the word like were. Okay, that's right. Kayak begitu. Jadi penggunaan pokoknya kalau present sama past itu bener-bener based on what you ask ya. Pokoknya bener-bener kayak misalnya menanyakan oh tahun lalu ya berarti pakai pakai kayak did gitu atau pakai were something like that. Tapi kalau it's still about right now you can use like do does. Okay. Uh, 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 um, okay. Try. Mr. Helmi. Number 2. Can you number 1 kita skip ya. Oh, sebenarnya Mr. Helmi ini bisa. Mr. Helmi number 1 and 2 please. Try.
Number one
Kalau
and number two.
ya number 1. Number 1 ini I think you need to put question word ya yang ini. Question word ini Mr. Helmi. Bla bla bla. Your most treasured possessions.
What?
Okay, that's what. Sebentar. Okay, right, it's what? Okay, number 2, Mr. Hamid.
Number two. Uh, what do?
Okay, do. What do you want? Karena kita fokusnya ke want-nya ya. Okay, very good. Akbar, 3 and 4, please. Di sini aja ya biar nggak ganggu. 3 and 4, Akbar.
What do you like about yourself?
What do you like about yourself? Very good. And then the next, number 4, Akbar. Aduh, sini deh. Hmm. Okay, please.
What was your most embarrassing?
What was your most embarrassing moment? Okay, my question, Akbar. Why do you use was?
Because the answer say I was.
Okay, yeah, correct. Because even though we do not know what is the questions actually, but we can see the answer, right? Oh, answernya ini talk about 2014. Kayak that was years ago. Jadi penggunaannya harus pakai past. Very good, Akbar. Hmm. Ini apa ya? What blah 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 is the greatest love of your life? Hmm. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand this. Okay. Mr. Hami, can you guess number 5?
Okay.
Mhm.
What are the greatest love?
Is-nya sudah ada juga. Jadi di sini you have to guess question word-nya, Mr. Helmi. Kayak nomor 1 tadi. You have to guess the question word.
What are how? Oh, yes.
How is the greatest love of your life? Is it like that? Like ini talking about greatest love of your life. So it can be like someone that you like or you know like something that you like. Kalau mungkin kalau what itu kan something that you like. Jadi apa sih hal yang paling kamu sukain di dunia ini itu pakai what. Tapi if you ask about someone, how do you say that?
Which?
Which is yang mana? So it should be who ya. Who? Who is the
Oh,
greatest love
who?
of
Yeah,
your life?
yeah.
Yeah. So it is
Who?
really
Yeah.
possible. Nanti misalnya I give you question like this, Mr. Hami can focus on what atau can focus on someone. Itu boleh gitu. Jadi boleh jawabannya antara yang what. Kalau ini kan number 5 ini kebetulan dia pakai yang what ya. Yang who-nya dia tidak jawab gitu. Seperti itu. Oke, nomor 6 kita skip karena we don't talk about this. Untuk nomor 6 itu gini aja. I will tell you first. Nomor 6 itu what bla 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 your superpower be. Ini kan berarti konteksnya adalah if you have superpower, mau apa superpowernya gitu ya. Jadi kamu akan jadi apa? Jadi di sini penggunaannya pakai will ya nanti. Jadi what will your superpower be? Like that. What will your superpower be? Jadi kamu kalau punya superpower itu maunya apa? Like that ya. Kalau ini saya kita tidak bahas ini, jadi it's okay. Mr. Helmi again number 7 please.
Oh, when?
Okay, good. It's when. Gak cukup. Yeah, it's when. Very good. When did you last cry and why? Very good. And then Akbar 8 and 9.
Um,
Eh, eh, eh. Oh, wait. Okay, Akbar, please.
um, what, I don't
Hmm.
know.
Yeah, sorry.
Uh,
Question word ya.
mm,
Ini unit question word. Ini mulai ngetik-ngetik sendiri.
number 9, I think what?
Okay,
What?
very good. It's what? Good, Akbar. And then the last one, please.